A dialogue about eradication of illiteracy from the country. Maruf: Hello Karim. How are you, Karim? I am fine, and you? Maruf: I am also fine. But where are you going? Karim: I am going to my village. Maruf: But why? Karim: I will work to remove illiteracy from our country. Maruf: It is really a good step. Illiteracy is a big problem in Bangladesh. Karim: You are right. Many people in our villages cannot read and write. Maruf: Yes, without education, people cannot improve their lives. Karim: Our government is opening more schools for poor children. Maruf: So, what is your plan? Karim: I will work with an NGO so that I can create a night school for adults. Maruf: Wow, this will be a fantastic work. Karim: We will also create a special account for 10,000 students so that they can go to school without any fees. Maruf: I am proud of you, dear. Karim: Thank you.